Rapp-It, the ultimate pipe repair bandage. Rapp-It is a quick-acting emergency pipe repair system. It's simple to use, with no mixing or measuring required, yet results in a strong repair within 30 minutes. Rapp-It has been successfully used throughout the mining, processing, agricultural and marine industries for over 30 years. Our NATO certification is a testament to our quality and superior performance. Shut down pipe to relieve pressure from damaged area. Thoroughly clean and roughen the damaged pipe area. Each packet of Rapp-It comes with a 90mm steel putty, a pair of gloves and a Rapp-It pipe repair bandage. Apply gloves and knead steel putty into a uniform colour. And apply firmly into the damaged area. The putty has a 2 to 5 minute work time, and bandage application must begin during this time. Remove bandage and then soak in fresh water for 10 seconds. Squeeze the bandage 1 to 2 times whilst in the water to help with activation. Quickly wrap the bandage around the damaged area, extending 50mm either side of the leak. Pull firmly throughout application, and remember, a strong, tight repair is important. For best results, the completed bandage application should be no less than 10mm thick, which is around 12 to 15 wraps. With wet gloves, squeeze the bandage with a rotating motion until resin stops foaming and is set. Allow 30 minutes for Rapp-It pipe repair bandage to set rock hard. Rapp-It comes in 5 convenient sizes, repairing pipes from 25mm up to 1 metre in diameter. It bonds to most pipe substrates, including steel, concrete, PVC, copper and polypipe. Rapp-It withstands pressures up to 360 psi and temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. It's also resistant to most chemicals. Rapp-It's ability to perform effectively in emergency situations greatly reduces costly downtime and production losses. You can contact our office for demonstrations, training and product education. Visit our website for further information. And remember, don't risk it, use Rapp-It.